Have you ever wondered how some people seem to always get what they want? They seem to effortlessly attract their desires and live a life filled with abundance and happiness. The secret to their success lies in the power of manifestation, and today we'll explore how you can harness this power using the methods of the renowned Louise Hay. By the end of this video, you'll have a deep understanding of manifesting with affirmations and visualization, and you'll be equipped with practical tools to start creating the life you desire. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality through focused thought and intention. It is based on the principle that our thoughts and beliefs shape our experiences. The law of attraction, a key component of manifestation, suggests that like attracts like. This means that positive thoughts and beliefs will attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts and beliefs will attract negative outcomes. Manifestation isn't about wishing for things to happen, but about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Louise Hay was a pioneer in the self-help and personal development field. She authored numerous books, including the best-selling You Can Heal Your Life, which has helped millions of people worldwide transform their lives. Louise's teachings revolve around the power of positive affirmations and the mind-body connection. She believed that our thoughts and beliefs directly influence our physical and emotional well-being. Through her work, she taught people how to heal their lives by changing their thoughts and practicing self-love and forgiveness. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to create a desired outcome. They help reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones. Louise Hay emphasized the importance of using affirmations to manifest desires and improve overall well-being. When you repeat affirmations regularly, they become ingrained in your subconscious mind, helping you to believe and act in ways that align with your goals. For example, if you want to attract abundance, you might use affirmations like, "I am worthy of abundance," "I attract prosperity into my life," or "My life is filled with wealth and happiness." The key is to use affirmations that resonate with you and reflect your desires in a positive and present tense language. Creating personalized affirmations is a powerful way to ensure they resonate deeply with you. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft your own affirmations. Identify your desires. Start by clearly identifying what you want to manifest. Whether it's a new job, improved health, or a loving relationship, be specific about your desires. Use positive language. Frame your affirmations in a positive way. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be sick," say, "I am healthy and full of energy." Be present tense. Phrase your affirmations as if your desires are already true. For example, say, "I am confident and successful," rather than, "I will be confident and successful." Keep it short and simple. Shorter affirmations are easier to remember and repeat. Focus on the core essence of your desire. Feel the emotion. As you repeat your affirmations, try to feel the emotions associated with them. Imagine the joy, gratitude, and excitement you would feel if your desires were already manifested. By following these steps, you can create powerful affirmations that align with your unique desires and goals. Visualization is another powerful tool in the manifestation process. It involves creating a mental image of your desired outcome, allowing you to experience it in your mind before it becomes a reality. Visualization helps to reinforce your affirmations and makes your desires feel more real and attainable. Here are some tips for effective visualization. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This helps you to focus and immerse yourself fully in the visualization process. Close your eyes and relax. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. Let go of any tension and clear your thoughts. Create a vivid image. Picture your desired outcome in as much detail as possible. Imagine the sights, sounds, smells, and feelings associated with it. The more vivid the image, the more powerful the visualization. Engage all your senses. Incorporate all your senses into the visualization. Feel the warmth of the sun, hear the sounds around you, and see the vibrant colors. This makes the visualization more immersive and effective. Feel the emotions. As you visualize, feel the positive emotions associated with achieving your desire. Imagine the happiness, gratitude, and fulfillment you would experience. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice visualization. The more you do it, the stronger the mental image becomes. By incorporating visualization into your daily routine, you can strengthen your belief in your desires and accelerate the manifestation process. Emotional healing is an essential part of the manifestation process. Negative emotions and past traumas can block your ability to manifest your desires. It's important to address and release these emotions to create space for positive experiences. Here are some techniques for emotional healing and letting go. Acknowledge your emotions. Start by acknowledging and accepting your emotions. Don't suppress or ignore them. Instead, allow yourself to feel and process them. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and gentle with yourself as you navigate your emotions. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. Journaling. Writing about your feelings can help you gain clarity and release pent-up emotions. Use a journal to express your thoughts and experiences. Forgiveness. Forgiving yourself and others is a powerful way to release negative emotions. Let go of grudges and resentment and focus on moving forward with a clean slate. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices and meditation can help you stay present and calm. They also provide a safe space to process and release emotions. Seek support. If you find it challenging to heal on your own, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. They can provide guidance and tools to help you navigate your emotions. By prioritizing emotional healing, you create a solid foundation for manifesting your desires. Letting go of negative emotions frees up energy and allows you to focus on positive outcomes. Incorporating daily manifestation practices into your routine can help reinforce your intentions and keep you focused on your goals. Here are some practices to consider. Morning affirmations. Start your day with positive affirmations. Repeat them aloud or write them down to set a positive tone for the day. Gratitude practice. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life and attracts more of what you appreciate. Visualization sessions. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your desired outcomes. Use the tips mentioned earlier to create a vivid and immersive experience. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay present and calm. These practices help you maintain a positive mindset and reduce stress. Action steps. Take small, consistent actions towards your goals. Manifestation isn't just about thinking positively, it's also about taking inspired action. Evening reflection. Before bed, reflect on your day and acknowledge the progress you've made. Reaffirm your intentions and visualize your desires once more. By integrating these practices into your daily routine, you can maintain a positive mindset and stay aligned with your manifestation goals. Doubts and limiting beliefs can hinder your manifestation efforts. It's important to identify and address these mental blocks to create a clear path for your desires. Here are some strategies to overcome doubts and limiting beliefs. Identify your beliefs. Take time to reflect on your beliefs about yourself and your desires. Identify any negative or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Challenge your beliefs. Question the validity of your limiting beliefs. Ask yourself if they are based on facts or assumptions. Replace them with positive and empowering beliefs. Use affirmations. Create affirmations that counteract your limiting beliefs. Repeat them regularly to reinforce positive thinking. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as supportive friends, inspiring books, and uplifting content. This helps to reinforce your positive beliefs. Practice self-love. Cultivate self-love and self-acceptance. Believe that you are worthy of your desires and capable of achieving them. Visualize success. Visualize yourself successfully overcoming your doubts and achieving your goals. This reinforces your belief in your abilities. By addressing doubts and limiting beliefs, you can create a clear and positive mindset that supports your manifestation efforts. Hearing about the success of others can be incredibly inspiring and motivating. Here are a few real-life success stories of individuals who have used Louise Hay's methods to manifest their desires. Sarah's story. Sarah used positive affirmations to manifest a new job. She created affirmations like, "I am deserving of a fulfilling career, and I attract opportunities that align with my passions." Within a few months, she landed her dream job in a field she loves. John's journey. John struggled with self-doubt and limiting beliefs. Through Louise Hay's teachings, he learned to create affirmations and practice self-love. By consistently repeating affirmations like, "I am confident and capable," he built his self-esteem and achieved his goals. Maria's transformation. Maria used visualization techniques to manifest better health. She visualized herself as healthy, active, and full of energy. Along with positive affirmations, she made lifestyle changes that supported her vision. Today, she enjoys vibrant health and well-being. These success stories demonstrate the transformative impact of Louise Hay's methods. They show that with dedication and belief, anyone can manifest their desires and create a fulfilling life. Now that you have a deeper understanding of manifestation and Louise Hay's methods, it's time to take action. Start by creating your own affirmations and incorporating daily manifestation practices into your routine. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more aligned you become with your desires. Believe in yourself and your ability to manifest your dreams. Stay positive, take inspired action, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. With dedication and belief, you can create the life you desire. We've explored the power of manifestation and how Louise Hay's methods can help you achieve your desires. We've discussed the importance of positive affirmations, visualization, emotional healing, and daily manifestation practices. We've also shared inspiring success stories and strategies to overcome doubts and limiting beliefs. Remember, manifestation is a powerful tool that can transform your life. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you can attract abundance, happiness, and success. Start today and watch as your dreams become reality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on manifesting and personal growth. We would love to hear your experiences and success stories in the comments below. Together, we can inspire and support each other on this journey to creating a fulfilling and abundant life. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams. Believe in yourself and take action today.